Hello everyone and welcome back to another Project Pan update. This is a rolling Project Pan, which means throughout the entire year, the products that we use up, we move out and move new products in. I'm going to continue this, and in January we'll start a brand new Project Pan. Some of these products will carry over to that Project Pan. I just wanted to put that out there since we are in November now. The first product that was used up is the e.l.f. Active Post-Workout Cool Down Mist. I loved this. This is where it started, and it's gone. I love the way this smelled. They do not sell this anymore, I believe, but this was amazing. It had a great mister on it. The scent was really nice. Some of these are super close to being gone. So along with that mist, I'm going to let go of all three mascaras that I have in my Project Pan. I've been using these all year. This one is dried up. The Biggie Lash still somewhat kind of performs, and so is the Believe Beauty Extend mascara, but they're not performing like they were. I think they're just getting old. I've been using them all year. Along with the mist, the mascaras are gone. So that's 4 products, and at the end of the video I'm going to introduce some new products. Just keep on trucking through. Shadow shields, I have 3 of these. 2 were mine. My mom gave me one, and I'm trying to use these up. It's just that I prefer the powder under the eye over these, but I am trying to use them up. So the Hard Candy Hydrating Primer Mist, I put this in the last update, and it was brand new. It's only a travel size, so it's 1 fluid ounce. And here where we are now. The reason why it hasn't moved very much, I do not like this as a setting spray or a primer mist. It is a very heavy mist, and it squirts a lot of wetness onto your face, a lot of product on your face. And I do not like this for prepping or setting makeup, so I'm only using it to foil eyeshadows. The Milani Prep and Brighten Rose Face Oil. This is such a good product. Here is where we started, and here is our new line. It's barely moved because it's an oil. It takes a long time to get through, so we're making small progress. The Hourglass Veil Powder, that's where we are now. So we are below half of this product gone. This is such a great powder, and I mostly use this for under eye setting. The CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer. This was full when we started at the beginning of the year. Here's all of the previous marks, and here's our current mark. There is product that's stuck on the sides that probably won't be able to get to unless I take the stopper out. Regardless, you can see through it a bit, but here is where that is at. Along with that, I put in, because these were a part of my backups, but it's just time to use them, the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous Pressed Powder. This is their Fresh Complexion. I love this powder, always did back in the day as well. I think it's a great powder foundation, and although you cannot see pan yet, I have definitely put a large dip, and I can see that I am very close to hitting pan on this project. The Flower Beauty Light Illusion Luminous Makeup Nude Skin Fill Foundation. What a mouthful. You can kind of see, well, you can't now because the formula is thin, but you could see through the glass. I'm no longer enjoying this product. I don't like how it looks on my skin anymore. I don't like how it's performing. I am not the biggest fan of this anymore. I used to really love it. I'm about halfway through this, but I am borderline thinking about tossing it to the side out of the Project Pan and throwing in another product, possibly next month. I don't really like it anymore. Some lip stuff. The LA Colors Lip Scrub. Where are we? Well, for one, you cannot see it poking out of the packaging. I don't really like this. It's like a balm product, and the sugar is dispersed very sparsely throughout this, so it doesn't give me a good scrub. It's very light, but I have made a huge dent in this, and I'm close to being finished with the LA Colors lip scrub. And the next lip product I have is the LA Colors lip oil. And there's where we started, and here where we left off. This is with the wand taken out, so the product settles, and this is all the product that's left. So we are close to finishing this one up as well. It won't take long to finish that. Totally forgot that I even put this blush in. It kind of fell to the wayside down in the bottom of the basket, and I didn't reach for it. I didn't even mention in the last update. I just forgot. So the AWA Studio Perfect Blush in Darlin. This is so pretty, but there's been no change in this. It still looks exactly the same. However, the Rimmel Kate, this is the blush highlighting bronzer trio. There's no highlighter left. I meant to mention this earlier. There's no highlighter left. There's no bronzer left. Only blush. And there is a pretty big dent in this blush. I think I'm close to hitting pan. So I'm going to continue to work on this. This is absolutely stunning coral blush, and I love it. So we'll definitely finish this. LA Colors Show It Off Blush and Highlighter. Once again, this was actually thrown in not as a Project Pan item, but just kind of throwing products in here. Do I like them anymore? Do I enjoy using them? And I've rediscovered this, and I really, really love it. There's small dents. Like, I can kind of see the pan line in that now. There's a dent in the highlighter, which are the two that I use the most. I love this product, so I don't really care if I finish this up. It's just I'm going to leave it in here and just continue to use it. LA Colors Highlighter Trio and Wild Child. I am trying to use up this peachy, orangey, red duochrome highlight here. I have been dipping into the others. I do not plan on panning these at all once this one is gone. But look at the progress. So there's like no product over here. And we're about halfway through this powder. So I use it in my inner corner. I use it as highlight. A few more items. I have the Wet n Wild Photo Focus eyeshadow primer, and where we started, and here's our mark now. So a few more uses, and this is going to be absolutely done. For next update, this will be gone. The Wet n Wild Brow Excessive eyebrow pencil. This is a bit dark for me. It has wax, and it kind of like pulls out some of my eyebrow hair, so it's not my favorite pencil, but I am going to use it completely up. And when we started, you could see the word, most of the word excessive, and now you cannot see the word excessive at all, only brow and heart. So this will probably be gone the next update as well. Same for this product from Maybelline Eye Studio. So we have made some progress recently, and there's no product over here. There's just a little bit of that silver glitter, which is the only shadow we're using out of this. It's like a silvery, iridescent, chunky glitter, and I use this for my inner corner. I love it. The other shades in this are total crap, and they don't perform, but this is very nice. So it is almost gone. And the NYX single eyeshadow in Pure Skin, made a pretty good dent in that as well. So you can see where the pan was showing from the last update, and all the progress that's been made. Good stuff right there. We're on the way to finishing that up. On to the products I'm going to rotate in and see where we get with those. So I need a new setting spray in here, so I decided to put the Morphe Jeffree Star Set and Refresh Mist. This is the strawberry scent. Mist is so nice. It smells amazing. It works great. But I think it's about half full or half empty, however you want to say that, and I'm gonna use that up. Also gonna put another eyeshadow in here. This is an e.l.f. mineral eyeshadow in the shade Innocent, and it's just a nice light vanilla shade, and I could probably use this under the eye for setting as well. It's such a perfect match, and so I thought we'd get multiple kind of use out of this product. The Rimmel Brow This Way highlighter pencil. It's just a shimmery brow highlighting pencil. I figured I could maybe use it in the inner corner as like a secondary base for inner corner highlight. Just use it under the eyebrow. Maybe it's shimmery, so I don't know about the waterline, but we'll see. And then I'm gonna add the Cherry Cherie Liquid Nude Lipstick, or the Matte Liquid Nude Lipstick. And this is my favorite one, and I know this is almost gone, so we're just gonna go ahead and finish this up. And that has been my Project Pan update. We're rolling out 4 products, rolling in 4 new products, and we're definitely on our way to using up at least, I would say at least 5 other products going into December or by the end of December. So pretty good progress. So I thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more Project Pan updates. Check the description box and the cards for additional links. Thank you so much for watching.